preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to
Kids Fun Learn Club.
Okay, so what are we going to draw today?
A cat?
A cat?
Yeah.
How do we draw a cat?
We need a palm.
Okay.
We need palm. We need paper, a black sketch pen, and some paper.
So we'll be needing a palm, a black sketch pen and some colors, right?
Yeah.
So what do? We keep it like this and we keep it like this. We keep the thumb inside, we fold and we keep it over here. That's all that we need to do here. So let's get started. Okay?
Please.
And draw the ears.
Oh. I'll just fix it.
Okay. The eyes. The nose. The eyebrows.
Did I make it again?
Okay.
Oh. Oh no, I do nothing about this.
Yeah.
How do I do this?
Yeah. Like the normally. No, you keep it hold and fold it. That's all.
Like this?
Yeah. Wait. Hold this. Fold. Make a thumb. Make a wrist. Hold it. That's all. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
It still doesn't look like a cat.
Once you finish the drawing, it will look like a cat.
It's not. Why do I even know what the face is?
This is the face.
Wait, I can. I don't know.
What do you not know?
Where should I start the ears? Where? Let's see.
Here, start with the eyes here. Then the nose. Yeah. Now you can continue. Okay. ये डंठल लिया डंठल लिया बेटा
Yeah.
should we move forward?
Almost done.
Great. Let us now use what color do we do the cat?
Oh.
Yeah.
There's two brown.
Okay. Let's do brown color. Let's first add, since I do not have done. Give me this once. You can start coloring. My cat drawing is done. I don't know what a funny cat this drawing has become. Now what is Parikshit doing? Can you see what he's doing? He's coloring it all black. A black cat. The scary one.
No, this is a ninja cat.
Do you like what Parikshit is doing? Show it to us. Yeah.
This is a ninja cat.
It's a ninja cat.
Ninja cat.
Oh wow. So that was cat drawing.
This is a little difficult.
That was by Parikshit and this is done by me. Which one do you like more? Tell us in the comments below. Have a good day. Bye bye.